Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make green chutney. Green chutney is a yummy sauce from India that's great for dipping or spreading on food. For this recipe, we require fresh mint leaves, fresh coriander leaves, garlic, ginger, lemon juice, or you can use curd, cumin powder, salt, water. Green chili is optional. First, wash the coriander leaves and mint leaves. Then, blend everything together until smooth. Green chutney is not just delicious, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants which protects your body from damage caused by harmful free radicals. It supports digestion with ingredients like ginger and mint, reducing bloating and discomfort. The garlic and lemon juice in the chutney boost immunity, helping your body fight off infection and illness. With its low calorie count, it's a healthier option compared to other high calorie sauces and dips. Adding green chutney to your meals not only enhances flavor but also provides various health benefits to support your well-being. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipe and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!